Ew. I don't know how you can make me fix a situation such as this when I'm just trying my best to be who I am.
Well, being a bitch isn't who you are, is it? Maybe if you tried to be nice to me, I wouldn't be mean to you. Now come on and rub my tummy, please. Aw, come on.
Is that what you want?
Yes, please. Come rub my tummy.
Okay.
Now rub me harder. Harder.
Oh my god. Oh.
Harder.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. We're done. Maybe we could just talk about broccoli again.
No.
What do you want to talk about instead?
No.
What?
I said no. You're incredibly
You
annoying.
want me to rub your tummy again? I'm sorry.
No, I don't want you to do any of that shit.